In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're logged in so you can access your business settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to locate the gear icon. This is usually where Zoho Books keeps the main configuration options for your account, including payment-related settings. Click the gear icon to open the settings area. From there, look for the section called Payment Gateways. This is where you can connect online payment providers and allow your customers to pay invoices more easily. If you plan to collect payments directly through Zoho Books, this is the exact place where that setup begins. After opening Payment Gateways, you should see Stripe listed as one of the available options. Find Stripe, then click Setup. This will begin the connection process between Zoho Books and your Stripe account. At this stage, Zoho Books will guide you through the setup. You'll need to enter the necessary details and follow the prompts shown on your screen. The exact fields may vary slightly depending on your region or account type, but the process is generally straightforward. Read each screen carefully before continuing, especially if Zoho Books asks for permissions or confirmation to connect with Stripe. As you move through the setup, make sure the information you enter is accurate. This helps avoid payment issues later and ensures the integration works smoothly once it's active. If a new browser window opens during the Stripe connection process, that's normal. It usually means you're being asked to verify your Stripe account or approve access between the two platforms. Once you complete the prompts, Zoho Books should successfully connect to Stripe. After the connection is active, Stripe can be used as a payment gateway inside Zoho Books, making it easier to receive online payments from customers. If you don't immediately see the connection reflected, give it a moment and refresh the page if needed. It's also a good idea to return to the Payment Gateways section afterward to confirm that Stripe now shows as connected. And that's it. By opening your Zoho Books account, going to the gear icon, selecting Payment Gateways, and setting up Stripe through the on-screen prompts, you can successfully link the two platforms and streamline your payment collection process.